Again, you told me you understand my instruction. Are you fine to partner, Mia? Kids, you're not going to join? Alisa, it's your turn. Again, kids, you're not going to act out what particular animal is that. You're not going to act. Just let our birthday celebrator or Joan May to guess the animal or the pet that you're going to take care. If you are a terrier or a cat, don't let Joan May discover it, okay? Do not act it out. Just let him guess it. Understood? Okay. We're done? Prepare again. You wait, form your line. We're not going to play again. Form your line.
Don't act. Don't act. Exchange ka pa ka line. Exchange ka pa
Again, do not do her now. Do not do like that. Let Joey guess it. Meaning, iniligay nun, ipapakot sa kay Joey. Alright? Alright. You just need to take care of your pet. No more, no less. Okay? Joey and Mommy. This is the zoo. Move backward, please. Okay, Mommy and Joey, this is what you're going to do. All of the parents here are take guess. How are you going to guess? In asking, are you a cat? Or are you a dog? And if they're going to say yes, then meaning they're going to go back. We can go back to the zoo. Okay? You are only allowed to ask 3 questions before you can guess. After asking 3, if you're not, then meaning you cannot go back to the zoo. Okay? You are going to take, remember the pet that you are... Congratulations!
Talikdan ka mo ah.
Okay. Each group should have 10 members. Meaning, one group Okay. Each group should have 10 members. First group here, second group there. Kids, please move backward. Okay, please close your eyes too, okay? I have here. I have here. Okay, ready? Here, do not touch anything. Partner line, hands forward, raise. Hands forward.
Siya Montessori, manisulat ka.
Lain naman lang niyo.
Here's one, oh, here's one. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! One by one. You wait here, wait here. Go, Reina. Hurry up.
Sila mag-abri. Yes, mami, paki-open.
No, not yet, not yet. Don't wait, go back. Come out. Next.
Ayaw yun.
Sa likod. Not yet, Josh. No. Stop back, please. Back. You wait for your turn. Reina.
Reina, in the back.
Back! Mag-disqualify.
Tang out. Later you will ready. Go, birthday boy. Okay.
Hurry up, hurry up. Water. Water. Accountant ay isa. Kumapili sila may isa ka
Go, Ella.
Ella, Ella. Okay.
Okay, next baby. Keep. Okay, come on. Joke Day, Joke Day. Are you okay, baby? Okay, next. Go back.
Oy, Glenn, dali lang ah. Dali ka. Cheers! Cheers!
Go, John. Please move backward. Okay, Dad. They have no water. Okay, next.
Halinda kayo.
Okay, next. Timothea. Please careful, ah. Slowly lang, slowly lang.
Sige lang kami.
Okay, next.
Shan, go, Shan.
Last one. Lara, you are the last one. Okay.
What's next?
Mia. Okay, go, Sean. There you go. Picture.
Go, Mia, go. Go, Mia. Go, Mia. Go.
Okay.
Sige pa, for the winner goes to... Kalma lang. Okay.
Next. Corner line, group one. Baby, next.
For the winner, for the winner.
Go, Lara.
May isa pa, may isa pa. May isa pa na Juwena. Di ba miss na mo? Isa kami doon.
Wow, Angry Birds. Hang out, Lara, hang out.
Wala na last ba? Okay na, may nakuha na kami ng winner.
Shoot,
Okay na tapos.
shoot.
Ikaw yun.
Alright. So we are group one. Okay. I would like to request group one to please form your line.
Form your line.
Group one.
Ano sa
Move backward, kids. Group one, please move backward. We're not going to give you your gifts if you're not going to move backward. Only group one, huh? Only group one.